Namaskar, Salam, Sat Sri Akal, and a very good morning. Again, welcome you to Sporting Angels Educational Spectrum. We are in for contest number 4 of history under Quest for Win. As the teams are familiar with the rules, straightway after a brief introduction, I'll be starting the buzzer round. So let's have the brief introduction of the teams. Agatha Angels, Jeba and Surbi forming up Agatha Angels, and I was given the information that one of the members of Agatha Angels, that is Jeba, is celebrating her birthday today. I wish the team all the best. The next team is Trivia Angels, Ankur and Aditya. Then OP Angels, Deepak and Ritu. Okay. We are starting the buzzer round. Before we start, just check your buzzers. Satisfied? Well. Satisfied? Okay. So, ready teams for the buzzer round? Here we go. Question number 1. Briefly trace the unification of Germany. Well, really difficult for me to decide. I'll go to the judges, and the verdict of the judges is that the Agatha Angels have gone for it.
Nationalist feelings were widespread among the new middle-class Germans. In 1848, Frankfurt Parliament, along with the Prussian king Wilhelm I, tried to unify Germany, but they failed.
So, for the first time, unification of Germany was tried in 1848. Yes.
Prussian Chief Minister Otto von Bismarck led 3 wars in 7 years with Denmark, Austria, and France, and defeated them with the help of Prussian army.
Right.
Then, in 1871, Kaiser William I was proclaimed as the King of Germany.
Absolutely correct. You get 10 marks. It's a good beginning. Let's teams, hands on buzzer. Don't be in unnecessary hurry. Question number 2. Briefly trace the process of unification of. I will not come to you now. 2 teams remaining. Only these 2 will press. Listen again. Briefly trace the process of unification of Britain. What happened? I have disqualified Agatha Angels. Okay, time up. Although the marks will not be added, now you can answer.
There was no British nation prior in the 18th century. English Parliament.
Prior to the 18th century, there was no British nation.
English nation has to possess power and wealth. It became dominant and exerted influence over the other nation of the island.
With the when someone becomes wealthy, same thing happens with nations. They try to impose influence over others, and this was a unique case with England also. England, because England was the first country to have the industrialization, and it started earning quite a bit of wealth. With that wealth came the dream of grabbing territories and expanding its territorial horizons.
English Parliament, which has seized the monarchy of in 1688.
It was 1688 when English Parliament seized the power from the monarchy. 1688 was the year.
And
Why is the time period from 1830 to 1848 known as the age of revolution? Poppy angels.
The first appeal took place in July 18. The first appeal took place in July 1830 with the when liberal revolutionaries overthrown the monarchy with the help of Louis Philippe and established constitutional monarchy, and then after this there in the process there was an uprising for the struggle, and this led to the Belgium breaking away from the United Kingdom of Netherlands. Then in the Greece was
Absolutely correct. You have talked about all the three upheavals. That's enough. You talked about Greece, you talked about Brussels, and you also talked about the first July 30 upheaval. So it's correct answer. You get 10 marks. With this, we have completed the buzzer round, and after the buzzer round, the scores are the regulation round. I'll start with you, Agatha Angels. Question for you is, which area was most serious source of nationalist tension in Europe after 1871? You don't want options? Balkan states is correct. Question for you. In 1861, Dash was proclaimed king of United Italy. A. Victor Emmanuel II, Caesar William I, Napoleon, Giuseppe Mazzini.
E.
A.
Victor Emmanuel II.
Victor Emmanuel II is correct. 10 full marks for you. And question for you. How many wars over 7 years with Austria, Denmark and France ended? Okay, you don't want options? Your answer is correct, but let me advise you. It is always good to hear to the first question. Then of course, let me tell you the options. Then you have sufficient time to answer. What is the hurry? Sometimes this hurry will make curry. Next, I'll be starting with you. This is the second round. And question for you is, when was the custom union or Joulverian formed at the initiative of Persia and joined by most of the German states? A. 1836, B. 1834, C. 1837, D. 1835. is correct. 10 marks for 1834 is absolutely correct. But why are you hesitant? That smile is missing. Of course it is. It fetches you 10 marks. Question for you. Who had sought to put together a coherent program for a unitary Italian republic in the 1830s? A. Metternich. B. Otto von Bismarck. C. Giuseppe Mazzini. D. Napoleon. Who had sought to put together coherent program for a united Italy in 1830s? Metternich, Otto von Bismarck, Giuseppe Mazzini, Napoleon.
Ottoman Bismarck.
Is not correct.
Giuseppe Mazzini.
Giuseppe Mazzini is absolutely correct. You get 5 bonus marks for your correct answer. And your question is, which year did Louis Philippe flee and the National Assembly was proclaimed a republic? A. 1846. B. 1848. C. 1845. D. 1847.
So option
1846, 1848, 1845, 1847.
1848.
1848, after a lot of deliberation, you are not sure, but it is correct and you get 10 marks. The third round starts with you. A merchant traveling in 1833 from Habsburg to Nuremberg to sell his goods would have had to pass through dash. A. 11 custom barriers. B. No custom barriers. C. 6 custom barriers. D. 3 custom barriers.
सर ये कौन सी थी?
1833.
11 custom barriers.
11 custom barriers is absolutely correct. Again, after a lot of deliberation, the answer is correct. And it fetches you 10 marks. Question for you. What is suffrage? A. Right to property. B. Right to justice. C. Right to vote. D. Right to complain.
The option.
Right to property.
Right to property.
Right to property is not correct.
Right to
Passes. Right to vote is correct. You get 5 bonus marks for your correct answer. And your original question is, revolutionary France, the right to vote and to get elected was granted exclusively to dash. A. Property owning men. B. All. C. Only women. D. Upper class men and women.
Property owning men.
Property owning man is correct. You get 10 marks for your correct answer. And with this, we have completed 3 rounds. This will be the 4th and the last round of the regulation round. And question for you is, when did Napoleon invade Italy? A. 1777. B. 1797. C. 1787. D. 1767.
1797.
1797. How confident are you, although you are going to lose? How confident are you? If given a chance, would you like to change your answer? You would like to stick to it? You would like to stick to it? But not with that much confidence. Okay, your answer is correct. 1797 is correct. And you get 10 marks for your correct answer. Question for you. What did Civil Code of 1804 bring about? Civil Code of 1804. What did it bring about? A. Right by birth to all the facilities of state. B. Did away all the privileges based on birth. C. No right to property. D. No right to equality.
Did away privileges.
Did away all the privileges based on birth is absolutely correct. 10 marks for your team. And question for you. What was the Civil Code of 1804 also known as? The second name of the code. A. The Administrative Code. B. The Code of Justice. C. The Napoleonic Code. D. The National Code.
Napoleonic Code.
The Napoleonic Code is correct. You also get 10 marks for your correct answer and time to have an eye on the scoreboard. Well, time for the rapid fire round. I'll be starting with you, Agatha Angels. 7 questions, 70 seconds and 21 marks. Your time starts. Ma'am, ready? Your time starts now. During the first half of the 19th century, there was an enormous decrease in population all over Europe. Do you agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Right? In the year 1845, there was a revolt in Silesia. It was led by the weavers against the contractors who supplied them raw materials. True or false?
True.
Right? The Frankfurt Assembly and the constitution it drafted failed as the Persian ruler Frederick William IV refused to accept the office of the emperor. Straight or googly?
Straight.
Right. William I became the ruler of Persia in 1961. Am I serious or joking?
Joking.
Right? When did the 7-year war end?
In 1871.
In 1870. So with this we have how many correct? 4 correct. Okay. It's your turn for the rapid fire round. 7 questions, 70 seconds, 21 marks. Ma'am, ready? So is the team. Your time starts now. The 1890 were years of great hardship in Europe. Agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Right? The year 1848 again witnessed another popular round of revolutions. The National Assembly proclaimed a republic, granted voting rights to all males above 21 years, and granted right to work. Is it true or false?
True.
Right? In France, in February 1848, the events had forced the abdication of the ruler and a republic based on universal male suffrage had been proclaimed. Straight or googly?
Straight.
Straight is right. The autocratic monarchies of Central and Eastern Europe began to introduce changes which were already given to the people in Eastern Asia before 1815. Am I serious or joking?
Serious.
No. When did time up? Done. Ready? Timekeeper ma'am ready? Okay. Now, poor grain harvest, the appearance of blight on extremely serious disease in the potato crop, and generally decreased economic conditions across much of the Europe in 1845-46 led to rise in food prices and unemployment. Agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Not correct. The year 1848 again witnessed another round of revolutions. Food shortages and unemployment brought the population of Paris out in the streets. True or false? Right. The Frankfurt Assembly was the first freely elected parliament for all Germany. It was in session between 18 May 1948 to 31st May 1949. Straight or googly?
Googly.
Googly is correct. 2 correct. 3 2 ja 6. 6 added to your tally. Well, let's have an eye on the scoreboard. Well, with this, we have concluded today's contest. Thank you for joining.